Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track time and effort in Monday.com. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monday web application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is how can you create an account on Monday? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice. Look at the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type monday.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Monday. Once you head into the website, follow the on-screen prompt to sign in using an existing account or to sign up by creating a new account. Of course, after signing in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Monday. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to track time and effort. Let's get right into it. Check the left corner of your screen. You're going to find your project. So go ahead and select the project of your choice. Okay, so here we go. So if I want to track time, all right, and effort in this particular task, so let's say this is task 2 and I want to track time, all I have to do is to click on this add column button, and once I do that, I'm just going in this search bar, I'm just going to use the time tracker. So time, and here I have time tracking. So click on time tracking and you're going to see that that is going to be there. So you have this play buttons that can now allow you to track your time. So I'm just going to click on this so that I can be able to add a time tracking log. So I'm going to select the date for that time. So 20th of school. All right. And start at, let me see, 6. All right. And I'm going to end this particular task at 7 a.m. and then I'm just going to click on add a session, so it's for 1 hour. So I'm going to click on, so start time can be in the future, end time can be in the future. Okay, so it most likely have to be now. So let's do 2. Okay. Show. Okay. Okay, so literally what are you aiming at? Definitely has to be on those dates. So literally, as you can see that I've been able to add this timer for like 240 hours. So you have to ensure that the start time and end time is like they're like really close to each other, and you use the time that is set to now, like the exact time that you're actually working on. All right, so now once you're done, if you want to start this timer, just go ahead and click on this play icon and it's just going to start tracking. So from here, you'll be able to track your time and effort in monday.com. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.